Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between, welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome, and repeating. My name is Matthew, and I just wanted to let you know that we have a whole heap of saxophone resources at howtoplaythesax.com. A whole heap of saxophone resources, all designed to help you, the beginner saxophonist, learn how to play the sax. So the first and foremost, the website itself, howtoplaythesax.com. Whole heap of resources, but in there, in particular, howtoplaythesax.com/blog. We have a blog at howtoplaythesax.com. There's a blog, there's a whole heap of articles. Most of them have videos all about learning how to play the saxophone, saxophone maintenance, saxophone hints, tips, tricks, all that kind of stuff, but a whole heap of abbreviated saxophone lessons as well. So if you're into rock or soul or funk or blues saxophone, howtoplaythesax.com/blog is possibly a good place to be. Similarly, we have a podcast, the How to Play the Sax podcast. It's available on all podcast locations. You know, you've got Apple Podcasts and Spotify and Google Podcasts and Pandora and all of those. It's all there on your favorite podcast location of choice, using on your phone or your iPad or whatever. Go to your favorite podcast app, search for, all one word, How to Play the Sax, and you'll find our podcast. Alternatively, inside the website, howtoplaythesax.com/saxophone-podcast. That URL again, howtoplaythesax.com/saxophone-podcast. You'll find all the podcasts there and links to all the apps, the main podcast distribution applications. We have also our YouTube channel. We've got lots of videos on our YouTube channel. So that is youtube.com/howtoplaythesax, all one word. There's a pattern emerging here. How to play the sax, all one word. So the YouTube channel, lots and lots of videos there as well. youtube.com/howtoplaythesax. So again, we've got heaps of saxophone resources, all of them based at howtoplaythesax.com, and particularly our flagship product is our membership area. There's heaps and heaps and heaps of saxophone lessons inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. I would encourage you to join. The lessons there are designed for beginner saxophonists, particularly those who are perhaps, shall we say delicately, a little bit older. Perhaps they're old enough to remember that all the best music was actually probably written in the 1960s and the 1970s and maybe the 80s as well. But if you're old enough to remember that, then probably howtoplaythesax.com membership is a good place for you to learn your favorite rock, soul, funk and blues songs. But again, whole heap of saxophone resources at either howtoplaythesax.com, howtoplaythesax.com/blog, howtoplaythesax.com/saxophone-podcast, or alternatively our YouTube channel, youtube.com/howtoplaythesax. My name's Matthew. I will see you either inside the members area or on the blog or in a podcast or on the YouTube channel, all designed to help you on your saxophone journey. So howtoplaythesax.com, the blog, the podcast, the YouTube channel, but particularly the membership area. The members area at howtoplaythesax.com. There's cheat sheets to download and there's forums to ask questions and a whole heap of other stuff. There's hundreds and hundreds of saxophone lessons inside there. My name's Matthew. I will see you either at howtoplaythesax.com, the website, or inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com, or in a YouTube or in a video near you or in a podcast near you. Thank you. If you're looking to learn how to play the sax, then please come and join me at howtoplaythesax.com. My name's Matthew, and we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome, and repeating. Thank you. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks.